Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Well, guys, look at this path. First of all, path was the trade of the week. This is a free service that we send out before the market opens every Monday morning. The trigger was 1860, okay? And so if you had taken it around 1860, this was on Monday, I think, yeah, Monday. And so this is up to Thursday. So it got up to 2031, not bad. Now, the recommendation was not necessarily to hold it through earnings. Now, why this has had a big gap up like this, it was an earnings play and it has just rocketed from its earnings, okay? So, but even if you had said, you know what, I'm a little too conservative to hold something through earnings, you never know what could happen, still was a really awesome trade of the week. Also, and I nag people in our trading room about this. This abnormal option activity plus our 10-day daily breakout, this is a combined scan, and we saw path here at 2331, so it didn't, 2351. See if I can, you're gonna have to trust me on this. So if I click on path, you can see what happened, and PD was a potential to short at 2112. Sorry guys, it's just it lags when I do these videos. My system just really starts to lag. Okay, so you can see there was the alert 2112. Before it popped up, it got down to 2071, and then this one, the IoT, was awesome. 3191 was the alert to go long, and look what it is now, 3316. So, if you're looking for something that is just, you don't get too many of these alerts all day long, only have 3 of them. Sometimes you only get 2, sometimes you might get 5. You want something to focus on, combination of abnormal option activity plus the 10-day daily break. I don't think you can go too wrong. I don't mean not every single alert you get is going to act like this, but I've been following this for several weeks now in this form, this combination, and it has been really good. Gets you to focus on just a few stocks. All right, everybody, have a great weekend. We'll see you in our trading room on Monday.